Not look bad. We are not factoring in any precipitation through the morning drive, so it should be a relatively calm start to your Monday morning. 27 degrees up in South Bend right now, 22 in the Chicagoland area, 25 in Indianapolis, 28 degrees in Evansville to start off your Monday morning. And Tracker is really not tracking a whole lot of activity here in central Indiana, just in terms of precipitation. But there's that storm system that gave quite a bit of snow to portions of Texas, as mentioned before. We still have winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings. Those are areas in pink for the Gulf states, so into parts of central Louisiana, extending into Arkansas, and even stretching as far east as Alabama. This system is going to steer clear of central Indiana. Pretty much the entire state is going to start off dry through this morning and through this afternoon as well. So our Futurecast model, really nothing to note here aside from mostly cloudy skies this morning. I think this afternoon we should start to see maybe a few breaks in the clouds, allowing for some sunshine. This picture here by 3 o'clock, I would expect to see a partly to mostly sunny sky through the later half of the day, and then tonight partly cloudy skies. So nothing really that's going to create any issues out on the roadways this morning or even later on this evening. Temperature wise, we should top out in the low to mid 30s today. 8 o'clock, 25 degrees, 30 degrees by noon. By 5, we should see a high of about 35 with a partly to mostly sunny sky. And I think most of our daytime highs today in the low to mid 30s, a little bit colder up near northern Indiana and into parts of the Chicagoland area. 31 in Chicago, 31 in South Bend, 35 here in Indianapolis, and 33 in Bloomington. Tonight, we should see a mostly clear sky. Temperature should dip to the upper 20s as we approach midnight tonight, with low temperatures in the low to mid 20s. 23 Kokomo, 25 here in Indianapolis. And then I think during the day tomorrow, we're going to start to see a really nice warming trend. I think a lot of our temperatures almost a good 5 to 10 degrees above the seasonal high through the rest of the work week. 36 degrees in South Bend, likewise in Chicago, 42 degrees in Indianapolis during the day on Tuesday, and then nearing almost 50 in Evansville. That's going to be brought in with a lot of sunshine, maybe just a few high thin clouds through the day tomorrow, but nothing again that's going to drop any precipitation on us during the day on Tuesday. So we're starting off on a relatively dry note. Notice temperatures, even as we head through mid to late week, are going to hold in the 40s. 45 degrees by Wednesday, mid 40s by Thursday, and then Friday still holding in the low 40s, but that's when we're factoring in our next weather maker here. By Wednesday, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. At times we might see a little bit more cloud cover than sunshine, and then by the end of the week, that's when we're factoring in our next chance of precipitation before we start to see some colder air.